The finally menta kat kum kajing angnot jengi ban poi ngilap poi ni jaka kaset ba sna ya ka film Bahubali ka film ka ba pau tam hagari India bat ka ba hak perthai barak ka wei latip chpang jong ni film ka ba la kamai ru di hajar crore tengi so komen ban patip ipi ngidan hak ni kaset menta hak ba director SS Rajamouli masendap release ka film ban pensa kmau la pen bu senda ni kaset hak ni ka Ramoji Film City aleng nyurung spo. Kajingwara jungi ya kanika kubor lingkon kalong baga Snor TV ka sengot tanat ban ai jaka ya ka entertainment badru karinsan ya ki dan sap kerpang ya ki film hari India ki dan shibon ki jaka ringdur nagamta ki film ne balatip kumka film city ti shibentang yawanra ya kanika khana lingkon kalong kerpang ru nagamta ki nongsna film kipat ba ba ye ki film bat ki baidan menta kulum ha kani ka line chna film na kaliang jungi hadin ke jinglai dan kam sa kejelat langgana ngilai alat banrung ha kawai ni ki film city bat ka deiru ka bahe tam ha ka perthai bat kata ka dei ka Ramoji Film City ka badan ha Hyderabad Telangana ka balas dang ban pli nadu snam khat khandai spa khandai punriu bat ka jinghe kani ka jaka kalong 8000 sanspa eka tam haba ki film rim ki bapau balayo beringdur ningkong do haka Ramoji Film City ki kentup ya kama na anaku peli house nam khat khandai spa khandai punyo bat ki be de kene ka Film City kedai bala ringdur ya ki film bahe bat ki serial hakari India khamtam ka film na ka South Indian industry ka bala pau haka perthai bat ka deiru ka iconic film bat kata kedai ka Bahubali kabla ringdur house nam arja khat lai bat yo ba release house nam arja khat san ya ka benta banikong ka ba la direct do SS Rajamouli bat bala shimenta do rebel star u Prabhas Raju kumuting shop lam khmat u Rana da Gubati kumgang ka Tamanna Bhatia ka Puran u Satya Raj ni Katapa ka Ramya Krishnan bat Anushka Shetty bat kiwi kebakentup ya ki ar benda kata ke part 1 bat part 2 bat kani ke film kelala belum hadu 6000 sanspa 100 crore hadu menta na kejing pulut ke belong sispa 4 crore bat ke benta baar kalayo belum 6000 sanspa 90 crore hadu menta na kejing pulut ke belong arspa 100 crore nangta kiwi di ki film bahe balayo bandingdur ha kani ke jaka kilong ka RRR bala direct hi duju director kebalala ban kamai hadu khalai spa crore bat yoru ya ka Oscar award na ka jingroi natu balai dan menta du Ramcharan Junior NTR Alia Bhatt u Ajay Devgan u klor ak film ka Hollywood u Ray Stevenson ka Olivia Morris bat kiwi nangta sa kiwi pat ki film ki kentup ya ka Dilwale bala ak du Shahrukh Khan Kajol Varun Dhawan Kriti Sanon bat kiwi nangta ka Chennai Express ka Chandramukhi का Dirty Picture, Pushpa, bat Shibon ba.
बनता है तालियां. Please put your hands together. बहुत जल्दी हो गया हीरोइन का सिलेक्शन. But please stand on that numbers. First of all, congratulations. Without अगर इसे डायरेक्टर नहीं है तो हीरो कहाँ से आएगा पर्दे तक? Am I right or not? That's why I'm just asking about the directors first. कोई है डायरेक्टर्स? लोकेश कनगराज. Spirit Bug exactly और Rajamouli Mani Ratnam अभी आ गया गाड़ी ट्रैक पर. Also, let me check. Our stars are ready or not? Stars, are you ready? Please come, madam. They are chasing you, not relatives. Look at the camera. Raise करो. Left right movement. डरो अम्मा. सत्यानाश कर दे रहे फिल्म को. हमको तो लग रहा है आराम से ब्यूटी पार्लर को जा रहे हैं इसका. Just tell me which sound is this? Wind exactly, hawa, gali sound. Then what about this? Thunder, Pichili. Last but not the least. Horse, Goda, Baganika. Obi, Nariyal Kattugudu se.
Ki don ki dukan jeng jatiar berper berkentup ya ke dukan bam, ke dukan jan, ke jingilek kai kelung, bat donru ke 5-star hotel, 4-star bat kiwei di ki room. Na banta ki bakwa ban sa amin. Bat ha kapor janmit ki donru ke jemput jengtam bat kiwei pat ki jingpen bernya. Ki jaka ba itrat badon ha kini ke film city ki kentup ya ka Eureka ke badai Sepang ke culture, ke movie magic Sepang ke cinema bat shana film, ke live shows, ke Fundastan, ke rides, ke eco tour, nang ta ke bird park, butterfly park, Japanese garden bat kibai. Kani ke jaka kan ai lat ru ya kibai ki film na ki jala ni sabari ki bakwa beringdur hangni hala ki dor bal.
And the Telugu movie Khatgam rebel movie fighting scene was shot in this location. Have you seen Magadira movie, Ramcharan sir movie? And you can see the backside and front side road on this road. Magadira movie bike stunt scene was shot in this location. Please save up your belongings. Now we are entering into the Mumbai Chor Bazaar. So this is the Mumbai Chor Bazaar location. As per the director
Chor
script,
Bazaar.
they can use the market areas, market streets. So this is the market area location. You can see that location. If you put Nehru statue, it is Nehru Nagar. If you put Gandhi statue, it is Gandhi Nagar. So ఈ లొకేషన్ లోనే ట్రిపుల్ ఆర్ మూవీ అండ్ సలార్ మూవీ బడే మియా చోటే మియా మూవీస్ అనేవి షూట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. హ్యావ్ యూ సీన్ సింగం మూవీ, తెలుగు తమిళ్ ఫేమస్ మూవీ? అండ్ లుక్ ఎట్ యువర్ రైట్ సైడ్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ది సింగం మూవీ పోలీస్ స్టేషన్, గోవా రిటర్న్స్ అండ్ గబ్బర్ సింగ్ మూవీ వాస్ ఆల్సో షాట్ హియర్. ద సాంగ్ look at the both sides. These are all the South Indian village location sets and only front elevation. If you open the door, directly enter into the forest. So this is the Ramoji Film City Corporate Office, Usha Kiran Private Limited, ETV Bharat. Mobile news display app 24/7 and 365 days. News will be available in video format and it is spread 13 languages in 23 states. Now we are going for BSF. It means big shooting floors. We have 10 big shooting floors, non-AC and AC for indoor shooting purpose. The world famous movies were shot in this location. Pushpa 1 movie, the famous song Oo Antama Mama song, and the Bahubali 1 movie waterfall scene, that scene was also shot here. The real waterfall is in Kerala. And the famous song Vanakima Champaka Chello, that song was also shot in this location. Now we are going for real mythological set Bhagavatam set.